welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for checking out this video. This is going to be a very quick video. I'm just going to go and show you guys how you guys can include a discount code in your Shopify store URL. So when someone clicks on that link with the discount code in it, it actually gets automatically applied at the checkout page for them. And why this is so important and why it could be very useful is because if you can automatically apply that discount for someone, one, that person's gonna automatically see how much money they're saving. Two, they're gonna be able to have like a smoother buying process because they don't have to remember putting a discount code in. And then three, since it's getting automatically applied, you're not gonna get those people like messaging you, sending you customer support emails saying they forgot to use their discount because it got automatically applied. So this is going to be very useful for any of you guys using like organic content and you want to give your customers and followers a discount code, or if you're running Facebook and Instagram or any other paid traffic, and you can actually use this link for your Shop Now button or for your link in the ad copy. What I would recommend is actually use a link shortener such as Bitly to make the link shorter for your ad copy so it doesn't take up like 2 lines. But without further ado, let me just jump right into how you guys actually do this. And I'm actually going to show you 2 different ways that you can accomplish this. So what you guys want to do is take your Shopify store URL, do / discount, then / the discount code. In this case, for this Shopify store, I have a discount code on here for 10 off, which is 10% off the purchase. And I'm gonna go ahead and click enter. And as you can see, the link is actually gonna disappear and it's just gonna go back to the home page. And that's good because it actually means that the link worked. So I'm gonna go ahead and click Shop Now, go to Add to Cart, click on checkout right here. Let it load up. And as you can see here, the discount was automatically applied, 10 off, which was 10% off at the checkout page. So I don't have to enter the discount code again. It just automatically applies for the customer. So now I'm gonna show you the second way you guys can do this, and it's a little bit easier. What you're gonna want to do is actually after you create your discount code, what you want to do is go ahead and go to that discount code in the discount section of your Shopify admin page, click on the discount code, and then go ahead and click promote, click get a shareable link, and the link's going to be right there. You can go ahead and copy the link, put in the Shop Now call to action for your Facebook ads, put it on your social media profiles, or put it in Bitly to make it shorter. So I hope this video is very helpful. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, please drop a comment down below. If you found any value at all in this video, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to my channel for more Facebook advertising, e-commerce, and social media marketing type content. So lastly, if you guys have any content ideas that you want me to cover, go ahead and drop that below in the comments too. I definitely want to help you guys out and produce content you guys actually want to see. So thanks again for checking out this video, and catch you guys in the next video.